Welcome to this short video about registering in the Damage Information Reporting Tool, or DIRT for short. We cover the basics of DIRT in another video, so please be sure to check that out to get familiar with DIRT. Let's begin. The URL for DIRT is www.cga-dirt.com/DPI. It's very important to add /DPI to the end of the URL. There are multiple versions of DIRT that support a variety of data collection programs for CGA. Adding /DPI to the end of the URL will ensure you get to the right version of DIRT that supports the Damage Prevention Institute. You'll know you're there when you see the DPI logo at the top of the page. To register in DIRT, click the green Register button at the top of the screen. Clicking the Register button will begin the account creation process. On the first screen, you'll provide your email and create your password, and provide security verification information to protect your account. When you've completed the form, click Next. On the next screen, you'll provide information about yourself. When you're done, click Next. On the third screen, you'll provide information about your company or organization. Note that when you begin typing your company name, a pick list will appear. If your company is already registered in DIRT, select your company name and continue. If you're registering your company for the first time, you won't see your name in the list. In that case, simply type in your company name. When you've completed the form, click Next. The final screen will ask if you are registering as an administrator or a user for your organization. If your company has never registered in DIRT, you must select Company Administrator. If your company has already registered in DIRT, you have the option of choosing Company Administrator or User. If you register as the wrong role, we can help you fix the mistake. After completing the registration form, you'll arrive at this screen, which will explain next steps. You'll receive an email that contains a link to verify your email address. We recommend you read that email right away and follow the instructions provided. When you click the link in the email, you'll be taken to a new page that looks like this. The verification code will already be filled in. You just need to fill in the rest of the form to complete your registration. CGA staff will contact you if we have any questions about the information you provide. If you need help, email us at dpi@commongroundalliance.com or call 571-500-2085. Our website is at dpi.commongroundalliance.com. Thanks for watching.